Mindful Chef has been the easiest diet ever. As a result of that and exercise, I've even lost nearly a stone in the last 2 months.
It's an easy and cheaper way to hit my health goals. The family love it, so it's a win-win situation. We've never felt better.
It fits in really well with our busy lifestyle. Energy levels are a lot more balanced as well with having the less refined carbs in the diet.
I really love the convenience because it means that 3 meals in my week are completely taken care of. I've got everything I need inside that box.
It's so easy. The box can be left on the doorstep and you don't have to be in. It will stay fresh all day.
Mindful Chef is quite honestly the best recipe box you can get.